reviewing a cookbook, Eat Delicious by Dennis the Prescott. And this Dennis the Prescott is the same person that is on the CBC and Netflix show Restaurants on the Edge. So make sure to go check it out after this video. And it's a really good show, so make sure you check it out. This cookbook is really awesome, and I'm going to show you a few of my favorite recipes that are actually in it. We have them marked here because they are so good. So this one is called the Salted Caramel Apple Parfaits. And this is what they look like. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but those look really good and they taste super good. So I really recommend you try it. I rate this cookbook a 20 out of 10 because it is super good, super healthy, and I just really love all the recipes. There's even a pizza in here that we tried, which is super good. So I really recommend you try this and try everything here because it is super good. This is for all ages. I mean, anybody that really wants to cook, I really recommend this cookbook. So yeah, we really enjoyed this, and I recommend you try it. It will be in the link in the description below. If you want to buy this to try out some of the recipes for yourself. Like I said, this is Dennis the Prescott is in a TV show on CBC and Netflix called Restaurants on the Edge. I recommend you watch it. It's about how they go to restaurants and then change it to make it a lot better. And yeah, so see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'm gone.